our stainless steel shelf. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 60 inches, a depth of 12 inches, and a height 34 inches. Coming to the bottom left and right corners are additional support for stands. The distance between the bottom and top shelf, we have 14.5 inches, with the thickness of each shelf measuring 1 inch. Coming to the top left corner will be the NSF certification, and please note that the film covering the stainless steel can be peeled off. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.